So hey everybody, we got the legendary Artisanal Taralli Marcello over here. I want to ask you some questions. When did this all start for you actually to create your famous tarallis?
Well, this is because of COVID. When we were confined at home one day, my sister, she calls me. She was no more excuses. I said, but what are you talking about? She was no more excuses, because she was always telling me, make taralli. So I never did. So one day I tried them. My son-in-law came home, he goes, they're really amazing, you know? I go, it's the first time I tried. So by then, start making, give them out to friends, friend of a friend, friend of a friend. In a year, give out 500 pounds.
500 pounds?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so everybody starts saying, I want to buy them. So from there, I took a small room in my garage.
Started off in your home. Okay.
Yeah, in my home, and converted the garage into a bakery.
Okay.
And from there, after the demand was big enough, so I was too closed up. So I decided to buy a place over here, and from here we're going on now.
It's actually a beautiful place.
Thank
It's
you.
got a beautiful ambiance. And I'll be honest with you, you know what? I'm gonna try your taralli very soon. They look so tempting and so it looks like the perfect crunch right there. But actually, you know what? There's a little bit of history about tarallis. People don't really know much about it. Where did it actually originate from? And when did it start?
Well, to be honest with you, they started in 1400, the year 1400. But there wasn't, I don't know exactly the place, but the taralli Pugliese, which are very popular.
Pugliese,
I'm
yes.
Casertano, so it's close to Naples.
Okay.
And we have our own, we make our own styles. Everybody has
their own
every
version.
region has a version. And actually, this was my grandmother, my mother, my sister, and
It's
so
okay. It's okay. I'll rest your soul. It's okay.
and from there I made some different flavors, because most of them used to be fennel or fennel poivre, and I made the different flavors. So I have 4 different flavors: fennel, fennel poivre, fennel chili, fennel double chili. We would like some more spicy.
Okay, so we have different flavors from, let's say, from original to spicy.
Yeah.
Nice, excellent. I'm looking forward to trying all this. Guys, if you ever want to check it out, Artisanal Taralli Marcello. These guys, they really make amazing, amazing classical tarallis, as you can see. And let's try it out. These are amazing. These are absolutely, oh my god. They're beautiful. They got the perfect crunch, a little bit of spiciness to it. And wow, what a great way to actually have a snack and enjoy in the day. And you know what? Thank you, Marcello, so much.
It's my pleasure.
I appreciate it very much for your wonderful tarallis and explaining to us where you all started and where this originated from. And like we always say, everybody, come over here, check it out. You really gotta try it. Nice espresso and taralli. Salute a tutti.
Hello.
Really good. Wow. Guys, just come to Marcello. These are really good. I'm gonna go get some more.